How to connect the Twitch account to Blizzard Battle.net account. So once you are in your Battle.net, on the left upper corner area, click on the logo to open Battle.net menu, and here you want to open account. It will open you the browser version, and on the left click on connections and simply scroll down and find option Twitch, and on the right click on connect. Now simply click on continue and log into your Twitch account, and it will be connected to your Battle.net. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.